Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to trade and create projects on Apestore. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, the first step is to fund your wallet with our either Base, Ethereum, BNB, or Robinhood ETH, as Apestore only supports those 4 chains for now, okay? So guys, I'll be using OKX for the purpose of this video. So this is my OKX wallet right here. So you could see that I have around 5.36 worth of our Robinhood ETH. So the next step is to tap Explore and type in ape.store, 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 S-T-O-R-E. So you tap it, go to Apestore, go to ape. So once you're here, you tap on this icon at the top right of your screen to connect your wallet. You tap connect wallet, you tap OKX wallet, tap Robinhood. So guys, I'll be showing you how to trade first, okay? You could see series of projects on different chains, okay? So assuming I wish to trade this particular token, SNAT, I'll just tap it. You then tap this buy and sell. You then input the amount of our Robinhood if you wish to swap for SNAT, okay? So let's say I wish to swap 0.001. So I will be getting 85,575 tokens. So the next step is to tap swap. You confirm. Let's input passcode. Transaction confirmed, guys. It's very easy. That's it. We've purchased around 8,000 pieces of Snapcat, okay? So, and to create a token, you tap the icon at this top right of your screen again. You then tap create token. So right here, you input name. So let's say I want my name to be before then you'll choose the chain you want your token to be deployed on. So I'll be going with Robinhood, so I'll just tap Robinhood. Next is to input name. So I'll go with Benz. You then select image, then symbol should be BNZ, then our input description, okay? So anything that comes to your head, okay? Something catchy. So let's just say our BNZ is just pure vibes, and fast trade is just our pure vibes, and fast trades on Robinhood chain, on Robinhood. Chain or zero utility 100% meme. Join the ride. So you then scroll downwards, you input Telegram link, Twitter link, and website. Okay, so Telegram link is optional, Twitter link is optional, like all those links are optional. So once you're done with all the steps, you just tap deploy. Okay, remember you'll need to have some amount of funds to deploy a token. Okay, you can do this using an empty wallet. So once you tap deploy, that's it guys, you've created a token on Apestore. It's very easy guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye, see you in the next video.